Welcome to the Cyber AI Chronicles podcast presented by Digital Edge, where strategy meets security and trust empowers growth. My name is Stacey Jennifer, and I am your host for today's episode. Hello, my name is Stacey Jennifer, and I am here today with Keith Berry, who is our cybersecurity and privacy attorney here at Digital Edge, and he's going to be answering a couple of things about compliance for us today. So what are some of the industry trends that we're seeing today?
So the basic trends today are license to operate. I mean, that is the trend. You need this. You need cybersecurity, you need privacy, a full cybersecurity program, privacy program in place. You have to protect pretty much everyone's data. This is coming down from the government, the state governments, from the federal government, from governments all over the world. I mean, really, you just have to keep your data protected for your own sake. Your duty to protect that data of your clients or whoever else's data that you may be possessing at any particular time.
So how are these trends different from those of the past?
Well, in the past, companies thought that they could just buy cybersecurity as though it were some sort of product you could just implement. Oh, we have antivirus, we have a firewall, we have this, we have that. But now it's understood that you need a full cybersecurity program, you need a full privacy program. And that's what we help our clients with day to day. You have to run that program. You have to, even after it's implemented, there's a lot of different things you have to do. And that's where Digital Edge, I think, provides a lot of value to their clients. Also, there's such thing as a duty of care, which is just the requirement that you have to have reasonable safeguards protecting the data in your possession. This comes down, ultimately from the common law, but now it's understood. I mean, it's sort of it's statutory now. They built it into these privacy and cybersecurity laws throughout the country and really throughout the world. And what is that, right? So it depends on the business. It depends largely on the size of the organization, the sensitivity of the data they're taking in, the amount of data they're taking in, and so that gets sort of brought into the calculus. But there are some underlying baseline things that you need, like information classification, data inventory. You have to have a risk-based cybersecurity program in place, things like that. So companies can just come to Digital Edge and get everything they need in terms of compliance, right? It's a good start, starting at Digital Edge. But, as I was saying, the cybersecurity, privacy, these are processes. These are things that have to be part of the DNA of your organization. They have to be part of your operations. And, of course, Digital Edge can help set up your privacy program. We can help set up your cybersecurity program. But we can also help you run the privacy and cybersecurity program, depending on what package you're looking to get from us. And obviously, we're always there to help our clients whenever they're in need. So what you're saying is that you need a combination of all three: compliance, cybersecurity, and operations to be able to cut costs and do things efficiently. Well, and automation. Mm-hmm. Yes, absolutely. Automation is an area that's somewhat new to the industry, but we've learned it well. We've become experts at it, and we've definitely been pushing out towards our clients, help save them from workload and also from just costs associated with running the program. And that is something that Digital Edge can offer. Do other companies do this, or is it? Well, the thing with Digital Edge, we are a one-stop shop. We have all three of those things in-house. It's very rare that you'll be able to find a single individual that's going to be an expert in all three of those areas, right? Let alone automation, right? As the extra. So that's what Digital Edge can do. That's the value we provide for our customers. Great. Thank you so much, Keith. Thank you. We're not here to add to the noise. We're here to help you lead with clarity, security, and confidence. Thank you for listening, and subscribe to catch up on all of our future episodes.